This Arc Chill cooling pet mat is just what my cats and dogs need. So this is one, it's very large, as you can see. So yeah, so this is great for keeping the animals cool, especially in the summer when it's like really hot outside. As soon as you touch it, I can instantly tell that it's automatically, it's like cooler than the rest of the surface areas around here, cooler than the couch, cooler than the floor. So my cats have been loving this and just lying on this like all day. They love it. They prefer this as opposed to their own regular bed. Now the dog is in summer camp right now, so she's not here, so I could show you how she loves this, but she loves this too. And this is perfect for the car. Actually, when I take her to her cousin's house or to the vet, I just put the mat down on the seat, and it keeps her cool because you know those car seats can get pretty hot in the summer, right? So this is perfect so that she doesn't get burned and stays comfortable and cool. So yeah, we all love it. The animals love it. I love it. I have a few of these. So it comes with this little humidity indicator. It comes out of the packet, out of this little pocket, but it tells you basically how humid the mat gets. So this keeps them cool, but also dry, so they're not sweating, you know, so that's always a plus. So I'm going to show you how my cats love this. I'll call them over and they'll just like lie on this all day. Definitely enjoying this. I recommend everybody get it. It's comfortable. I like this gray color. It's really relaxing and it's comfortable. I can wash this to keep it, you know, keep it clean. So this side looks like this, and then the other side is not as smooth. It's a little more like fabric, like a felt kind of material. As you can tell, Music loves his mat. He just lies there all day looking out the window. He loves it. Right, Music? Music loves his mat. It's nice and comfortable. Keeps him nice and cool. He just loves to lie on there. He has a good time. Feels comfortable.